Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to our online English coaching class. Okay, last day I told you about the structure of sentence. There are four types of sentence, you already know about it, and the structure of each and every kind of sentence I have already discussed. So today, directly we are coming to the point, that is the transformation of sentences. Yes, this is the most important thing that you have to focus. Transformation of sentences. Basically we say that there are four types of sentence. Apart from this, sentences are basically and in normal way it is affirmative or negative. Affirmative means positive, which give you a positive thinking, and negative means you are getting a negative view about someone or something. This is affirmative and negative. Today we will do affirmative to negative. How sentences which are affirmative should be changed in negative. Okay. So there are two ways. One is changing the meaning and one is without changing the meaning. Now always I say you that whenever you are doing something, don't change the meaning. So we will definitely stuck with this thing. But to make you understand, I have written here the first example. The man is wise. Okay. Now the man is wise. This is a affirmative sentence. Okay. And with the negative sentence, always use no, either, not, anything, no or not. No or not is there means you can understand that that is a negative sentence. So this is a affirmative. This is an affirmative sentence. Example of it. Now if we are changing, means changing the meaning, we are focusing on this one, changing the meaning. If I write the man is, as I say, whenever we are doing negative, we have to use no or not. So I am here writing the man is not wise. Is this correct? Here I am telling the man is wise, and the next moment I am telling the man is not wise. This is definitely not a transformation. This is an example of affirmative sentence. This is individually an example of negative sentence, but this is not the transformation of this sentence. This is not the transformation of this example. This sentence is correct. This is an example. Example wise this sentence is correct for the negative sentence. But when I am changing, according to that rule, this is wrong because meanings are changing. Now what I have to do? I have to make it without changing the meaning. For that, focus on the quality of the man. We have to use no and not, and we will use the opposite of this quality. Opposite of this quality. So the example will be the man is not foolish. Okay. The opposite of wise is foolish. So the sentence is coming, the man is not foolish. As not is there means definitely this is a negative sentence, and the man is not foolish, it is no change of meaning is there. So this is called the transformation. For your better understanding, I have written one more example. She is sad. She is sad. Here the quality is sad. Okay. In the same way, if I am writing, sorry, she is no or not, remember, not sad. This is also not correct. Why not? Because I am telling she is sad. I cannot say that she is not sad. Two different things. Example wise of a negative sentence, this sentence is correct. But when we are doing the transformation from affirmative to negative, this is incorrect. This is wrong. So we have to use the same method. Now you can tell me what I have to do. What you will do? First is she is, then no or not, and the opposite of sad is definitely you know happy. So the sentence is coming, she is not happy. Now these two, focus in these two. In this way, whenever we have changed the sentence, the meaning is changed. Our goal is not to change the meaning. Our focus should be to stuck with the meaning. So the man is wise. You have to do. The man is not foolish. In that case, the quality is there, written there. That opposite of that word you have to use, and the second one is after the verb you have to use no or not. Am I clear with that? Okay, now there are several rules for the transformation of sentence from affirmative to negative. There are total 18 rules. You can understand 18 rules means 18 type of sentences are there, 18 type of sentence, their phrases are there, clauses are there, and so many things that you don't know. So you are the beginners. This is called you are the beginners. Means you are learning now. So what we will do, step by step we will learn. But as you are beginner, I will go up to rule number 4. Next, further in any other class, maybe in any other time, I can explain others. Okay, thank you.